In this module, you will learn about artifact repositories and artifact repository managers. We will first look at the concepts that you need to understand as a DevOps engineer about artifact repository and artifact repository managers. And after that, we will set up one of the most popular artifact repository managers, Nexus, on a cloud server on DigitalOcean. We will then go through the most important features of Nexus, like how to manage users and their permissions, how to create repositories for different artifact types, the difference between components and assets, etc. After setting up Nexus, we'll publish our jar file artifact to Maven repository on Nexus, first using Maven and then using Gradle as a build tool. We will also learn how to configure cleanup policies for our repositories, as well as how to talk to Nexus REST API. And throughout the whole process, we will also look at realistic scenarios and best practices for working with artifact repositories.